Hi, Greg Peters here, the Reluctant Networker. I'm here to urge you to register now for the upcoming Consumers Energy event. It's called Influence, Education, and Profit, Creating Connections with Success. It's going to be on April 16th, and I know it sounds like a lot of words, but essentially what we're talking about is how to use networking to grow your energy efficiency business portfolio. A lot of people are uncomfortable with networking, and I understand that. I used to be the same way. It's not easy to put yourself out there, and it's really kind of confusing because a lot of people don't know how to make it work for them. That's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about how to grow your network, how to get more out of it, how to get referrals, how to get access to the kind of resources you need to grow your business and make it stronger and make you a success. So register now. It's going to be on April 16th at the Okemos office of Consumers Energy. The information is right there on the screen. There's the link in order to register. Please do yourself a favor, do your business a favor. Register for this event. You will learn all the tools you need to connect with success. See you there.